guys, welcome to my channel. This is Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being me, because you guys are joining me in this journey called life. I'm heading over to the beach because I'm going to be doing like a DIY maternity shoot. So I was just doing my makeup in the car, and then my videographer is recording me while I'm walking. But we're going to the beach, and he, as in the husband or whatever, Brian, he's actually going to be taking my pictures. Why? Because I can't take pictures myself. Why? Because I don't think my camera has a timer, and because it's better if he takes them, and then if they come out ugly, I'll just say that he took ugly pictures. But I have a whole bunch of outfits, and we're going to the beach. Okay. You see, I look pretty with makeup on, but like, it just seems so hot. So I always look agree.
Oh look, we didn't even show your belly.
I can show it later. Obviously, if I'm doing maternity pictures, I got a belly.
I don't know, what if you got a fake one on?
I'm gonna wear my makeup.
Don't put it on.
Yes, there's people walking towards us. with my little nieces and my sister, and then after that we're gonna go and have lunch with my older sister. So I don't know how that's gonna work out, but that's what we're doing. Right now we're just gonna keep walking, and Brent's just gonna run for the car. Brent and women ain't got time to be walking 2 blocks down just because we didn't pay for parking. So he saved himself some money and I saved myself some walking. But what do you think? How did it go?
It was great.
It didn't even come out.
It was fun. I got to take a lot of pictures.
He took a really good pictures, guys. Now we're just gonna go eat and chill, and then eat and chill. But I'll take you guys along because like these days get interesting. Everything happens at time apparently. I don't understand how.
All the time.
Like every single time. But yeah, see you guys, because I can't